cystic fibrosis, colon cancer, prostate cancer. These are examples of inherited diseases. How does one inherit a disease? How does one inherit cancer? Cancer is caused by abnormal changes that occur to a gene. Now, a gene carries genetic information that is present in every cell of our body. They basically tell the body what proteins to make and how to repair damages that have accumulated over a period of time. They work by repairing a particular cell, or in the case when too much damage has occurred, the gene would then tell the cell to stop growing and die. However, when the gene itself is damaged or mutated, this control factor is now lost. So what happens is that the cell is now able to grow in an uncontrolled manner, and it is this that could possibly lead to cancer. Genes have two roles in cancer. Oncogenes cause cancer, and tumor suppressor genes prevent cancer from developing. Tumor suppressor genes are like the brakes in a car. They prevent cells from growing too fast, just like the brakes in a car prevents a car from moving too fast. So tumor suppressor genes function by producing proteins to help it modulate this control process. So my PhD focuses on understanding the process of protein synthesis, at which point these genetic mutations, or also known as nonsense mutations, have a significant impact. Now, the central dogma of biology explains that the flow of genetic information is from DNA to RNA to protein. The translation of this information from DNA to protein is critical to ensure that our body has all its required proteins in order to survive. Therefore, a mutation at the final point of this translation process would result in the production of non-functional proteins. Now, as I've implied earlier, it is these non-functional proteins that would lead to cancer. We hope that by determining the three-dimensional structure of a relevant factor, which is essential in mediating this translation mechanism process, it would contribute towards the development of therapeutic strategies that would help suppress these genetic mutations, which could eventually lead to inherited diseases or cancer. Thank you.